What's poppin', everybody? It's your host, Chris without an H, aka Chris the Barber. You already know what's up. And as y'all saw by the title of this video, I did my first 360 waiver. And without further ado, let's hop into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy it. So right before I always start a cut, I'll be putting on the neck strip and the cape. So first thing you want to do for 360 waiver is always brush the hair with the grain. And for my client's desired length, I'll be using the number 5 guard lever fully closed. These waves are wavy though. So my first guideline, I'll be using my Barber Silver FX, and I'll be making my bald guideline. After that, I'll be using my 5-star shaver, and I'll be taking out the stubble. So right after that, I'll be using my Yall matching clippers, and I'll be going about half an inch up with the lever fully open. So then I'll close the lever, and I'll open the lever the higher I go up. So right after blending that part, I'll be using my number 1 guard lever fully open. So right under that guideline, I'll be using my half guard, and I'll be slowly closing the lever the lower I go. So right after that, I'll get my number 2 guard lever fully open, and I'll be flicking out. So then I'll get my number 1.5 guard, and I'll slowly open the lever the higher I go. And right now I'll be just doing some detail work. So right here, I'm basically just going to be lifting his hair with the comb. That way I can show y'all his natural hairline and how I'm without pushing him back.
Saibot.
So right after doing the front lineup, I'll be doing the back lineup. So right after lining him up, I'll be using my straight razor and I'll be applying shaving gel. And right now I'll be starting to do the straight razor process.
take gang, gives the max look. This is a one take ass song.
Straight heat from your boy Chris without an H, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, this was the cut. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. This will help me out a lot. The beats that I use in this video, Saibot, that's my homeboy. Y'all go check him out. Link in the description down below. But it's your boy Chris without an H, and I'm out of here. Peace.